Today I'm here to solve a problem of my one subscriber. In my comment box, my one friend has asked me a question. So today I will do the question and solve it and obviously explain to you all. First, see what is the question given here. One car is running in a circular path and the circumference of the circle is 120 kilometer. So do you know what is circumference? Circumference means the outer lining of a circle, that is called the circumference. So basically you can say that the total length of the path is 120 kilometers here. I'm drawing here, then it will be clear to you. Suppose this is the circular path, and in the circular path the total circumference means the total length of the path is 120 kilometer, that is given in the question. Now the car covers the half path. Half path means you have to carve the circle in a semicircle, so it will be 120 by 2, that will be the length. So 120 by 2 means it will be 60 kilometer. So this 60 kilometer has covered by the car with 20 kilometer per hour speed. So that is given in the question. So first you have to find this d by dividing the number 120 by 2 and speed is given. Next, given that if you cut the remaining semicircle into two parts, then the quarter part means if you divide the total circle into four parts, then one part is called quarter part. So obviously it will be 120 by 4, it means 30 kilometer, and the remaining part also 120 by 4, so 30 kilometer. So all the distance are known to us now. And also the speeds are given in the question. First one 20 km per hour, second one 40 km per hour, and third one 10 km per hour. And the distance are clear to us that first part, that is 60 km, the car covers with 20 km per hour, and 30 km covers the with 40 km per hour, and remaining 30 km covers by the car with 10 km per hour. So up to this I think clear to you. Only you have to understand the first part, then there you have to only use the formula. Now I'm doing the math with first case, second case and third case. In the first case, when the curve covers the semicircle, then d equals to 60 km and s equals to 20 km per hour. So we know that s equals to d by t, so t equals to d by s, or put the value d 60 divided by s 20. So 23 is 60, t equals to 3, and unit will be hour. So first, in the first case, time is 3 hours. Next we will go to the second case. For second case, again d equals to, we know that d equals to 30 kilometer and speed is given 40 kilometer per hour. So first we will write these all, d equals to 30 kilometer and s equals to 40 kilometer per hour. So again t equals to d by s, you know t equals to d by s, so put here 30 divided by 40, 0 cancel, equals to 3 by 4 hour. So for the second case also time becomes known to us. Now we will go to the third case. Again for the third case, d, that is also 30 kilometer, right here d equals to 30 kilometer and s equals to 10 kilometer per hour, that is given in the question. So what will be the time? T equals to d by s, same as like first case and second case. So t equals to, it will be 30 by 10, 0 cancel, or t equals to 3 hour, unit will be in hour, so t equals to 3 hour. So see, for the first case t 3 hour, for the second case t 3 by 4 hour, and for the third case t 3 hour. So all the times are now known to us. Next we will do the final math. We know that average speed equals to total distance by total time. So here total distance by total time means total distance you can write here 60 plus 30 plus 30, but no need to do this as the total circumference is the path. So you can write here only 120. So 120 divided by, it will be first 3 hour plus 3 by 4 hour plus 3 hour. We will add all the times here. So equals to 120 divided by, the LCM will be 4, and in the numerator it will be 12 plus 3 plus 12 equals to 120 divided by 27 divided by 4 equals to 120. Now do its reciprocal of the denominator, so it will be 4 divided by 27. Now you can cancel it by 3, 3 9 is a 27 and 3 40 is a 120, so it will be 160 divided by 9. Now if you change it in a decimal number, then it will be 1 4 1 9 1 is a 9, then 9 7 is a 63, the point, then 0, then again it will be 9 7 is a 63, again as point is present here it will be 0, then 7 is a 63. So it will be basically a non-terminating decimal number, that is 17.7777. continue. As this is greater than 7, so you can put here 17.78 kilometers.